Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking.
So today's topic is going to be unused spaces, and we looked at unused spaces as golden opportunities in a house. There's so much you can do. It could be a space behind the drywall, it could be a room. There's all kinds of unbelievable opportunities to create more space and more useful storage. So today, that is what we're going to touch on, and you hopefully will find these hints and little ideas very useful for you.
One of the first spaces that is really unused, and I know you know what I'm talking about here, is those base cabinets in your kitchen that are in the corner. So those are the places where your plastic storage or certain things you put in 10 years ago that are never to be seen again. So one thing that we've done before is in those corner cabinets, you can do a double shelf that's like either a kidney shape or it's circular shape, and they roll out. So you can pull them out and put small appliances or anything that you would even normally use on a daily basis. And they just swing right out, and they're perfect for using that space and not having anything get lost forever again.
So another space that is not necessarily unused, but maybe not utilized in the right way, is that spare bedroom, that you may not even need a spare bedroom anymore. So we have done to where we've actually turned it into a gym, we've turned it into a full office, or for those whose partner might want more closet room, we have made dream closets out of that spare room. You can really do anything you want because this is not even being used. It's not hidden like other storage areas, it's just not utilized the right way. So definitely think about how best to use that spare bedroom.
Another spot in the house that is usually overlooked is that unused vertical space that's in most of the time in a built-in closet, and sometimes even the side space. So what we've done in the past is we've completely ripped out that whole space in that closet and created, if it's off a kitchen, we've created a workstation. So there's a desk and maybe some uppers, so you have added storage. We've also ripped the whole thing out and done built-in drawers and cabinets in a bedroom, and it was an old closet with bifold doors or something like that. We've also done it where we've made it into a mud area, and maybe this closet is off of the utility room, or it's in the utility room and it's off of a garage, and we made a mud space out of it with cubbies and hooks and all kinds of fun storage. There's really a lot you can do with it. So we just get rid of it and you maximize that space.
An area that is often overlooked and often unused is one of our favorite things to actually utilize, and that's the area under the stairs. The possibilities are endless. We've done cabinets, we've done shelves, a bank of drawers, we've even done a mud room, we've also even done a powder room because it's just an unused space. What we really also like to do in there is a wine storage area, and there's probably 1,000 other things you could do with it. It's often overlooked, and it's something that we love to take advantage of.
Another unused space is also the dead corner, but this one is for open shelving. So this could be on your upper cabinets in a kitchen where you want to maximize the space, and maybe that's for display. It could also work for pantries. It could work in your closet. We've done closet systems where instead of having, just the one shelf that goes across and then you can't really use it, if you use shelves that meet at the corner, you've got all that extra space that's in the corner, and you can use that for added storage. So don't forget about those corners in your pantries, your closets, and in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching today, and we really hope you learned something new about how to maximize unused space in your home. We've seen a lot of that time and time again, and we know that there's so many possibilities, so wanted to share that with you today. And if you like what you saw, of course, give us a thumbs up. And we would love if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media. So stay tuned for next month when we'll be back giving you another set of tips on something completely different.
Thanks a lot.